Assalamualaikum and greetings everyone. We are student M3 CDCS110 1E. We'll presenting our final report for CSC126. Our final report title is Personal Tutor Service System. Before the presentation start, we will start with our team members introduction. First member is me, Siti Karan Syamina binti Zainuddin, student number 2023856246. Second member, Nur Anis Ashikin binti Faizal, 2023650284. Third member, Humaira Ayuni binti Hairul Azizi, 2023812462. And last member, Alia Farisha binti Rudim at Muhammad Rizwan, 2023878662. Next slide, project summary. A personal tutor is quite the hot trend among students this day. Many students have a preference for hiring their own personal tutor due to a few pesky issues they encounter. It's not uncommon for students to struggle with concentration problem during class lecture. They get easily distracted and have a hard time focusing solely on what the lecturer is saying. Students frequently find the class unbearably dull, eventually resulting in them dozing off right in the midst of the lecture. This problem in turn adversely impacts their academic performance while also hampering their brain functionality. So, to prevent academic problem and concentration problem from bothering students, we are planning to develop a system for hiring personal tutor.
Our project name, Personal Tutor Service System for Diploma in Computer Science students, is designed to enhance the academic journey of students by providing personalized and tailored tutoring experiences. Using matching algorithms, we connect students with dedicated tutors based on subject expert availability and individual learning needs. Objective of the proposed object: first, to streamline the process of receiving tutoring classes. Second, to alleviate the workload on staff members by automating the task of managing class quotas. Third, to monitor the available day and date to ensure that students select only those with openings. Fourth, to enhance user experience for staff by implementing a user-friendly system. Fifth, providing a straightforward tutor hiring system for students. Sixth, to prevent oversight during class registration, particularly when dealing with a large number of students.
Next slide is about analysis. First, input. The program will ask user to input their information such as name, gender, number phone, email, semester, student number, university name, subject availability, subject for chosen semester, prefer online or in person. The program also will ask the user to choose the day they want to start tutoring lesson. And if they prefer in person, the program will ask the user to input their address. Not only that, but our program also provide a tutor preference, which is user can choose between female and male tutor. For process, the slide shows names and price of subject for each semester. So, if the user choose all subjects in particular semester, they will get 20% discount. And last, output. The output will show user information and tutor information. The next one is flowchart. We will start with main function. The program will ask user if they want to start the program. And if the user enter alphabet Y, they need to enter their personal information. Not only that, a loop also include inside main function to ensure the user enters a valid semester number between 1 and 4. A function called display sub also include to display subjects based on the chosen semester. After collecting all the information, the program prints a receipt that includes student information, booking information, fee information, and tutor information. Next is function display sub. We use switch case to display subject and price for chosen semester. So if the user choose semester 1, then the program will just display subject for semester 1 only. But if user enter invalid semester, then it will display invalid semester choice. Next is function sum of subjects. This function will calculate total price of chosen subjects for selected semester, and if user choose all subjects for chosen semester, they will get 20% discount. And after that, sum will be calculated after total price minus discount that they get. We also include array total sub square bracket 2 to store the names and price of subjects. Lastly, we also include chosen sub square bracket, which is array that contain the names of chosen subjects.
So for function tutor information, firstly we will declare the variables. Then the system will ask user if they are in semester 1. If yes, the system will ask again for their wanted tutor gender. If it's female, then we will display tutor name, gender, contact number, email and achievement. If they choose something else than female, we will display the same thing, just different context. And after display, the system will return tutor name, gender, contact number, email and achievement. Back to semester 1, if they are currently not in semester 1, the system will ask if they are semester 2, and if yes, the system will ask the same question as in semester 1. For example, their wanted tutor gender. The system will also display the same thing. If the user are not in semester 2, the system will ask if they are in semester 3. And if yes, the same thing as before, and if no, the system will automatically direct it to semester 4, which the system would directly ask the same tutor gender question. For each flow, they will end with return tutor name, gender, contact number, email and achievement. The system will end after that.
Next slide is our pseudocode for our final project.
This is our function prototype. We declare all our function here. And this is our function main. In our function main, there is iteration control structure and selection control structure. In our function main, user need to enter the personal information and booking information. And the receipt will be displayed at the end of the program. In this function, we display the table of the price and subject. For the next function is where we calculate the total of the price of chosen subject. For the last function is where we store all our personal tutor information.
For sample of output, there will be 4 tables shown, subject code and the price for tutor following each semester. Then, the user information will be shown and a table of semester that user are currently in. The output of subject that user choose will appear, thus the place preference and date start will appear too. Lastly, the receipt.
And that's all from us. Thank you.